So welcome to the Consumer Neuroinsights Research Lab. We've been talking a little bit about neuromarketing and thought some of you guys might be interested in taking the nickel tour of our research facility here at the University of Memphis. We've been around for about 3 years now. The facility is about a year old, but the lab's been in place for several years. This is the focus group room, and you can see we have a large conference table set up, as well as an observation area. So we've had both internal and external groups use the space for focus group type research. But probably the most interesting element of the lab is the advanced physiological measurement capabilities. And this is one of our two recording studios. This is our eye tracking system. You can see the eye tracker is the bar here below the computer monitor. And as you saw in the video, the eye tracker works by emitting infrared light to the subject's face, which is absorbed by the eye and produces, or by the pupil, and produces kind of a red eye effect by reflecting off the cornea. And the eye tracker has advanced cameras that can track the left and right pupil based on that reflection on the XY coordinate represented by the computer monitor, so we can tell what you're looking at any given point. Here we see what's called a shimmer device, and this measures skin conductance, which is the electrical current in your skin. So basically, kind of like a lie detector. So basically, when you're emotionally excited or stressed, there should be a spike in that skin conductance, and we can match that information up with what the subject's looking at any one point in time in the stimuli presentation. The newest feature to the lab is the new EEG system that we've acquired, and I think you guys saw this in the video as well. This device here is the amplifier, and then we have two different EEG setups here. One for basically it's a large and a medium-sized head, and this is a 9-sensor system. So it's research grade, but certainly not medical grade. And like the GSR device, we can match that data up, and the cognitive activity and emotional response based on brain imaging data. We can match that up with what the individual's looking at any one point in time. This is the control room, and you can see the person running the experiment has the ability to speak with the subject at any given point in time using the microphone system. The laptop here is specially designed and has iMotion software on it. And that includes the facial expression analysis module. And some of you may be familiar with it if you've ever watched a show on Netflix called Lie to Me. It was from a TV series maybe 4 or 5 years ago on Fox. The technology is based on the real-life individual psychologist named Paul Ekman, who the series was based on. So if you find that stuff interesting, they cover a lot of ground in that series. That's a good way to kind of get an introduction to the kind of advanced neuroscience concepts. Anyway, so thought you guys would enjoy taking a peek at the lab. We will have a few studies available for you guys to participate in if you're in the local area this summer. If not, I have some opportunities lined up for you that you can just participate in online for the research participation requirement. And look forward to, for those of you who are able to come in, hopefully get a chance to meet you personally at that point in time. Thanks, and we'll talk to you again soon.